Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I want to show how to prepare aspect. So let's begin. So first open ArcMap and first add them digital elevation model. This is our study area. After that, go to our toolbox and open special analysis tools, then surface, double click on aspect, input raster, select them, specify the folder, write the name, aspect, then click OK. Just a minute. This is an aspect. You can see here. Go to properties, symbology. You can change the color. So this is okay. I think this color is okay. Finally, we prepared an aspect map. You can see it here. Thank you.